Go.
Welcome back to our channel, the Science Kids. Cheats and
Okay. So, what's going on today?
We here have a ladybug that might be turning into a pupa this very second. And we are doing the dropper.
Whoa, slow down. I gotta see the baby. He already did the dropper. Okay. Well, please turn it back around so I can see the ladybugs.
Where's the tab?
Thank you.
Magnification tab.
Here's what it looks like.
Can I see
Nope,
it?
we don't need the magnification. I can see it real good like this. All right. So, what is our dilemma, Kaden?
That,
Only one survived.
only one survived. Bye-bye.
So, we wanted to name it because we only have one. Except I got good news today. We got an email back from customer service on Insect Lore, and they are emailing me back if we're going to get some more for free because it wasn't our fault that they died. We did everything right. Yes, Hannah.
I love ladybugs.
Me too. No, not okay. All right, listen. So, our other problem is what, Haley?
We don't know what to name it.
And we had some votes on our Facebook page.
I know what to name it.
So, let me read the votes. What, Hannah?
I know what to name it. Flower.
Oh, that's a cute name. Okay,
But it's
the names we have from our Facebook channel are Sad Lonely Ladybug, Lucy the Lonely Ladybug, Boo, as in Bugaboo, Little Lonely, Little Red, Spot, which I kind of like Spot because it's not so sad, because all these ones are so sad, and the Very Lonely Ladybug, and Flower now. So you're going to raise your hand if you vote for that, and then I'm going to put, oh, I need a pencil, and then I'm going to put tally marks next to the, oh, there's a blue pen right behind you, or that pen, that works good. Okay, for number one, Sad Lonely Ladybug. 2 votes for that one.
Wait, do you want flower?
You can vote twice if you want. Okay, Lucy the Lonely Ladybug.
Yes.
1 vote for that one. Boo, as in Bugaboo. No.
Yes.
Oh, 1 vote. Little Lonely.
Yes.
Nope, you didn't raise your hand. No votes for that one. Little Red. 3 votes for Little Red. Spot. 3 votes for Spot.
Yes.
The Very Lonely Ladybug.
No.
2 votes for that. Okay, the 2 finals are Little Red and Spot. So,
We'll have to
vote for Little Red or Spot. Okay, here we go. Little Red,
No.
Spot.
What?
Wait, I think it's Spot. I think Spot wins because I vote too.
Come on.
Me. There's 4. Okay, we're naming him or her Spot. That's a good neutral name because we don't know if it's a boy or girl. Okay, little Spot.
The Very Lonely Lady.
You just named your baby chick Flower. We can show them your chicks.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Oh.
Science later.
You guys are hyper. Can you tell school is out right now? Coronavirus is making us crazy. All right. Science later, everybody.